Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about how Microsoft and Pavan Dovaluri, now head of Windows, are changing the game this year on Windows 11. They are actually now looking at and fixing things that people have been asking for a long time. Well, the first thing that he had announced was that the taskbar this year will eventually be customizable by you will be able to move it on the sides or at the top, which is one of the most requested features. Some people like to have their taskbar differently. But not only that, he's a ex-user and actually asked a question saying, that taskbar on some devices isn't great. If you have a small laptop, the taskbar seems to be huge compared to the screen, and there's no customizable option really about the size for the most part. So they actually have answered back. Pavan Dovaluri has said that not only will the taskbar be something you'll be able to move to the sides or the top, he's saying that it will be customizable almost like Windows 10. If you go on Windows 10, there are a ton of options on making the taskbar the way you want. You can even unlock it and go to the edge of the taskbar and even move it, put it thinner or make it bigger. Things like that are useful for some users when the size isn't right. So they are talking about having a degree of customization options that will arrive, including a better way to manage the size of the taskbar on Windows 11. So this looks like a good news for the Windows operating system for 2026. When all of this will start getting into our PCs, probably, and I would guess maybe at 26H2 later this year. But overall, of course, like they said this week, some of these features will roll out slowly throughout the year, not just, with big updates like the new version 26H2. So I guess this is the year of the fix for Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.